Welcome to my channel Dreamy Do by Malu. 15 small business ideas that you can start in 2026.
1. Candle making.
Starting a candle business from home is one of the easiest low-investment businesses for beginners. 2. Hair accessories. Elevate your hair accessory business with catchy, memorable sentences designed to attract customers and drive sales. 3. Paper bags. Paper bags are no longer limited to a single use or industry. 4. Jewelry. A jewelry business description is a professional summary that outlines your brand's identity, core offerings, target audience, and unique value proposition. 5. Resin art. An art business is a highly profitable venture requiring minimal startup space. Key essentials include high-quality epoxy resin. 6. Card making. A business card is a pocket-sized physical or digital tool used to share your professional identity and contact details. 7. DIY bead. Creating DIY beads is a fantastic, budget-friendly craft. You can make custom beads using everyday items like old magazines, salt dough, or air-dry clay. 8. Scrunchies.
The soft fabric barrier prevents the pulling, breakage, and tugging caused by traditional rubber bands.
9. Crochet. Crochet is a versatile craft that uses a single hooked needle and yarn to create interlocking loops. 10. Gift hampers. Gift hampers are highly customizable, so adding a heartfelt or witty note elevates the entire experience. 11. Cake making. Cake is often served as a celebratory dish on ceremonial occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, and birthdays. 12. Makeup pouch. Makeup pouches are small bags used to store and organize makeup products. 13. Customized phone case. A phone case is a type of object that protects the phone from any collisions, like the floor or stone. It will also protect your phone from screen cracks. 14. Customized notepad. Customized notepads are a good small business idea because low investment. Embroider DIY. Embroidery is the ancient craft of decorating fabric or other materials using a needle and thread or... Thank you.